Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, spiritual liberation requires financial freedom. He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
Subscribe now and check out an example of a video used in an online course that makes $18,000 per month in passive income. This video demonstrates high-quality, high-value content that effectively teaches people how to make money. And using AI, this video was created in just a few minutes. Now ebooks, blogs, and your own faceless YouTube channel and online courses are within your grasp. Here's the video. Welcome. I'm excited to tell you today about my themed video series, What's in My Bag? Affiliate marketing strategy made me $34,800 in 30 days by making 3 videos that took me 5 hours each. Here's an overview of what I did. I successfully created themed video series that resonate deeply with my audience's interests, covering tech gadgets, travel essentials, and fitness products. This approach involved actively engaging with my audience through social media to determine which items to feature in each video, ensuring the content is both relevant and engaging. The videos showcased a range of affiliate-linked products, seamlessly integrated into the narrative and complemented by interactive elements such as clickable icons and QR codes. Post-release, I engaged further with my audience through live Q&A sessions and strategically placed affiliate links in the video description and comments. This audience-focused strategy has been incredibly effective, demonstrating the practical and profitable potential of engaging themed video series, What's in My Bag? Affiliate Marketing. In my 30-day mission to boost earnings through affiliate marketing, I concentrated on 3 premium products: the Apple Watch Series 8, MSI Titan GT77HX gaming laptop, and Abyss AB1266 Phi TC headphones. My videos typically hit 100K views in the first month, so my objective was to significantly increase the click-through rate, center on these high-performing videos to enhance revenue. Achieving this required a blend of carefully crafted content and interactive engagement strategies designed to captivate viewers and encourage more clicks on my affiliate links. Day 1 through 5 Research and Analysis. For the first days, since I had never done a What's in My Bag? Affiliate marketing video before, I looked at other popular YouTubers who had millions of clicks. I started by identifying key players and influencers in my niche who had high engagement rates in their What's in My Bag? Videos. Video analysis. I meticulously watched several of their most popular videos, paying close attention to the structure, how they introduced products, the style of their content, the pacing of the video, description and link placements, and their calls to action. Using vidIQ, The best YouTube keyword and analysis website, link down below in the description, to determine user engagement. I analyzed their videos' engagement metrics, likes, comments, and especially the click-through rates where available. I also went through viewer comments to understand what the audience appreciated or pointed out in the video. I observed how they structured their video descriptions, where they placed affiliate links, and how they formatted them for easy accessibility. Based on my analysis of top-performing videos in my niche, I implemented several concrete strategies to increase my click-through rate. Engaging video intros. I observed that successful videos often started with engaging hooks or teasers about the products. So, I began crafting compelling intros like, how the Apple Watch Series 8 could save your life, find out now, and transform your fitness game with the Apple Watch Series 8, here's why. Strategic CTA placement. I noticed that effective CTAs were often placed not just at the end, but also mid-video, especially right after highlighting a key benefit of a product. I incorporated this by placing CTAs immediately after discussing the most attractive features of the products. Interactive elements. Inspired by how others used on-screen graphics for CTAs, I included clickable pop-up icons during key moments in the video. These were timed to appear when viewers' interest in a product peaked, making it easier for them to access the affiliate links. Storytelling approach. The most engaging videos told a story or shared personal experiences with the products. I started weaving narratives around how the products fit into everyday life or solve specific problems, making the content more relatable and engaging. Viewer engagement in comments. I followed the practice of actively responding to comments, as this not only boosts engagement but also serves as a platform to reiterate CTAs and remind viewers about the affiliate links. Day 6-7. Reaching out to affiliates. I contacted affiliate programs for these products. I reached out to Amazon Associates, Best Buy's affiliate program, and B&H Photo Video's affiliate program. By the end of the day, I heard back from Amazon Associates and Best Buy's affiliate program, both approving my participation. Day 8. Filming the first video. In 45 minutes, I filmed this video showcasing the Apple Watch Series 8, emphasizing its advanced features and sleek design. Day 9. Editing and uploading. I edited and uploaded the Apple Watch video, ensuring to embed interactive affiliate links. I kept my video private to work on SEO next. Day 10. Search engine optimization. I used vidIQ to get the keywords for the video name, description, and tags to ensure that my video would be found in YouTube searches. All set now, I launched the video, making it public. Day 11. Filming the second video. The next video focused on the MSI Titan GT77HX gaming laptop. I highlighted its gaming perks and powerful performance. Day 12-14. Video edit, vidIQ SEO, and launch. Day 15. Third video filming. Showcasing the Abyss AB1266 Phi-TC headphones, focusing on their unparalleled sound clarity and bass. Day 16-18. Video edit, vidIQ SEO, and launch. Day 19-30. Marketing and community engagement to boost video views and increase the click-through rate. Here's how I approached it. Social media blitz. I shared my videos across all my social media platforms multiple times a day, using different captions and hashtags to reach a broader audience. I created short teaser clips from the videos, highlighting the most intriguing aspects of the Apple Watch Series 8, MSI gaming laptop, and Abyss headphones, and shared these teasers on platforms like Instagram Stories, Facebook, and Twitter. Engaging directly with the community. I hosted live Q&A sessions on YouTube and Instagram, where I discussed the products featured in my videos, answered viewer questions, and subtly reminded them about the affiliate links in the video descriptions. I responded to comments on YouTube and social media posts, fostering a sense of community and keeping the conversation going around the products. Collaborations and shoutouts. I reached out to fellow content creators and influencers for shoutouts or collaborative posts, increasing exposure to new audiences. Content repurposing. I converted segments of the videos into blog posts and infographics, which were then posted on relevant online forums and tech blogs, providing backlinks to the YouTube videos. These were my results. Apple Watch Series 8. Price, $799. Commission, 5%. 100,000 views, 6% center, 1.5% conversion rate, 90 sales. Earnings of $3,595.50. MSI gaming laptop. Price, $5,964. Commission, 5%. 150,000 views, 4.5% center, 1% conversion rate, 68 sales, earning me $20,258.40. Abyss headphones. Price, $6,095. Commission, 5%. 80,000 views, 6% center, 0.75% conversion rate, 36 sales, earnings me $10,971. Total earnings in 30 days was $34,824.90. That's right, with 15 hours of work, using my theme series, I made $34,800 in 30 days. I multiplied my success by strategically aiming to triple my center and focusing on high-value affiliate products. This success underscores the power of a targeted approach in affiliate marketing, where engaging content and smart marketing strategies significantly boost earnings.
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for. A practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month, and it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below, and then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop, and it's free, and I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances, where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.